Look who's back, my pathetic mudbloods and muggles. Long time no see. How have you been? Save it, I don't care. Alright, today's not your regular class. We're not planning to jump into a boring textbook. Nope. Today's about reactions. Yeah, you heard me right. Follow me, let's see what you got.
Hello.
So, this bird named Layla's been chirping in my ear about how some of you lot are into those daft videos about how Slytherin boys supposedly react to various situations. Well, let me set things straight. They've got it all wrong. But no worries, because we're here to give you the real deal. Let's start.
Hello.
Without further ado, let's start with, this one. Now that YN's dead, I have to take care of our son alone. What's Potter doing here? I didn't die, Draco, I just forgot our anniversary. Charmaquay? How dare you? This is ridiculous. Right, why would I? Kisses every day. As if. No. I'm not a melodramatic fool who can't handle a forgotten anniversary. I'd probably find a new girlfriend who actually remembers important dates. I assure you, you're not that special. Shit, I'm late for detention. Bumps with YN. Hey! Be careful, you stupid bitch.
Oh my god.
Are you serious? Such a vulgar language is beneath me.
I'm just trying to help after calling her a bitch.
Right.
Oh, that's me. Why are you staring? Shit! You're just so beautiful. Why is the Theodore not? Do you have a crush on me? I'm panicking. Can I tell you a secret? Ooh, yes, I want to know your secret. We both have a crush on each other. What? Am I dating a 12-year-old? Why is she acting like that? No way. Oh my gosh, she's acting like a 12-year-old. We should break up.
Is this one about me?
About Riddle, I think. I mean, it's not that bad. Ah!
My name is Lola Bunny. Lola? Yes? Hello. My name is Bugs. You want to play a little one-on-one, doll? Doll? I'm the court.
Don't you ever use the Malfoy name again.
I'm so hot.
That's it.
Oh, let's go.